fools. Today gonna be a good day. Got that new crisp in. Other than that, oh shit, son. Fresh pedals, steering wheel, some weird parts. Oh, fuck, bud. I'm over here sweating. Yeah. Got my dad on the way. He was just here a little bit. We had to go find some fittings for the brakes. Got a few things put in here. We got the brakes put in, or getting ready to go in, getting ready to run some lines down the frame rail. End up having to kick the cockpit out. Got the foot pedal mounted. Currently in the process of getting the gauges all mounted all up. So once I get the gauges all mounted up, we'll get the wiring in, and then we'll kind of start getting this thing plumbed, get it all plumbed to the battery, figure out how much fuel line we're gonna need. Other than that, she's coming together slowly. By the end of the day, we should have all this buttoned up, start getting the deck back on it. Dad's coming in clutch laying the brake lines. We did get a few things done. Had to take the deck back off. I only had it mocked up, so nothing was hooked up. We got most of the wiring laid. Come on in here real quick. Laid most of the brake lines. Pretty much, besides the right rear, got a fitting that we're like a little shy on. So, little secret of the trade, we're not doing front to rear brakes, we're doing left to right. So, no special sauce, you know what I'm saying? So you took a little more brake line, but other than that, Dad's currently on the way right now to get some fittings for the gas lines, some elbows, a couple more lines and fittings so we can get all the electrical ran. Here within a week, we're gonna be dropping a motor in it. Hopefully. No, I'm just kidding. Was able to get the nose kind of mocked up the other night, so it's pretty much all buttoned up. Got the holes drilled in it. So here soon, we're gonna be putting a body on it in probably a week. If we get all this buttoned up, so I can start, you know, covering it up. Other than that, like and subscribe. Check out our Facebook page. Follow us on YouTube. Just support the program. Having a little fun with the fam. We're putting the MSD in at this current moment. And drilling some holes in the cockpit. Dad's over here. He's doing some wiring stuff that's a little out of our capacity.
Capacity?
Capacity. Yep, that's how you work a drill. Rubber takes up with this side.
No, it's rubber. Been racing all his life, doesn't know that.
I'm just double checking. I'm not gonna lie, I'm definitely kind of ass chapped that I wrapped this panel on the wrong side. So, shout out to myself for wrapping it, but damn, chapped. Transmission's gonna have a nice shot. From here on out, though, it's at least now we've started. We don't know the name of the racing team just yet, but when we do, it started now. Cleaned up Nash.
Probably put it in there lopsided.
It's all right, 75 degrees. I'm not gonna lie, should I probably take this panel out and cut this where that bolts out for the steering wheel? Just in case there's ever an issue.
Probably not a bad idea. Well, let me tell you something. If you're thinking about it, you better move it.
Get some good pan zooms on him every now and then, you know? Of him doing absolutely.
A broken drill bit.
Flip that over.
That's tight, bub. Just gotta tighten up.
Oh my goodness.
What is that?
Come on in here.
This is when you gotta reach out and touch somebody.
When you got the dash panel on? You got her?
All for a little screw.
Oh yeah. That's real nice. I can't even see. Okay, well good.
Okay.
I think I stripped that. Can't wait to see Deegan's ugly face.
That's so bad. So foul.
Foul.
Dude, you really do need small zip ties?
Yes, I do.
Alright. How many?
Oh, a handful of them. There's probably some in that bottom drawer. I'll go look. I just want black. If they ain't black, I ain't doing it.
Black's like that. The old catch tray right there. We're gonna call that the old catch-all.
The old catch tray. That's what we're gonna call that, the old catch tray.
Where's this one go?
That's going to the MSD, big guy.
MSD, this thing?
Yeah, that's right. It's gonna go to this plug. Don't ship. If you don't know what you're doing, you just stay out of the equation right now. We don't need to be firing Deacon's car up.
Yeah, why don't you watch your fingers in there?
I want a hole right here. Cause there's no more lines going to this, so I want a hole here holding
2
that.
holes, yeah, I got it.
I would tell you where your drill is, but you already know you tripped over it twice.
I can
Get enough fries?
I only ate like a freaking couple of them.
Dude, No white.
No white?
No white.
Black and white.
Black and red.
Whole one's white.
Yeah, well, not down there.
These zip ties you got there already.
I'll pull it away from
Oh my
the side
goodness.
here, so it's not on
Deacon,
the
I got
side.
something I need you to do.
He needs you to rub his neck.
That is something, but actually, since you're so small, you can get the popular gun and get down on my floor and crack the rivets for me, dude.
Wow.
Am I getting like $5 to do that?
Oh my goodness.
It's not free. But I guess I'll do it.
That's Tack B. This is our next guy right here. Big red goes to power. It's right here. So we're gonna shorten this up. Or actually, we're gonna come over to this one. It might not have shortened up though.
We're back. Pretty excited. Got the cockpit pretty much buttoned up. Dad left a little bit ago. He was able to help me get most of the brake lines pretty much mocked where they need to go. The right rear is the only spot not hooked up. Got the gauges in, the main power on, main power switch on. Got the shifters in, was able to get the Joe's throttle assembly mounted up. Never done that before, just kind of winging it at this point. But let us know what you guys think in the comment section. So, still got to get a chain ran down to the limit. Honestly, don't know the actual terminology here. So, pretty tired right now. Been a real long day. Shout out to my dad. Shout out to the sponsors. We got a big shop coming soon. Stay tuned.